Now, next question, how many words can be formed by using all letters of word daughter so that vowels always come together? Now see how many vowels are there. A, U, E. A, U, E. 3 vowels are there. Now see consonants D, G, D, G, H, R, T, R. These are consonants. Here options are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here they are saying that vowels should come together. So therefore we grouped the vowels and give them one place. You can give any one of the place to them. And remaining places to the consonants. How many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here these 5 places are for consonants. This one place is for vowel. For vowel should come together. Here see how many places are there. We grouped the vowels and give them one place. So how many places are getting occupied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 places are getting occupied. Here 6 places are getting occupied. That is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here they are occupying 6 places. If we grouped the vowels, then they can shuffle around each other. If we grouped them like this, then they can shift their place. Now they will be in group, but they can shift their places, but they can be shuffled. They can change their places around each other. So number of ways they can be shuffled, that is 3 factorial. So this is answer. Now solve it and you will get your answer. Now next question like this. If this is word and they are saying vowel should come together. So I am not taking questions only from GATE. I am taking questions from Bank PO, SBI PO, RBI exam, IBPC. Now see number of vowels in it. Here 3 vowels are there. Now see consonants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 consonants are there. Now place them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 consonants and 1 vowel. 5 consonants. 1, 2, 5 consonants and 1 vowel. Now it means that 6 factorial into, they can shuffle around each other. It means that 3 factorial. Here you can see RR is coming twice. It means that upon 2 factorial. 5 consonants and 1 vowel is there. So 6 places are getting occupied. So for that 6 factorial upon 2 RR is there. So for that upon 2 factorial into 3 vowels are there. 3 vowels are there. So they can shuffle around each other. So for that 3 factorial. Now solve it and you will get your answer. In how many ways mathematics be arranged so that no vowel come together? So now how we solve it? Total minus vowels come together. They are saying no vowel come together. So how we can solve it? Total minus vowel come together. No vowel come together. So this is easy method to solve this kind of questions. Now what is total here? The number of letters. Now see how many number of letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Means that 11 factorial minus. Now solve vowels together. Now how many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vowels are there. Now 4 vowels are there. How many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now arrange them in 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 place for vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this place is for vowels. What it will be? 8 factorial. Now see letters that are repeating. That is 1. That is M is repeating. That 2 times. Upon 2 factorial into T is also repeating 2 times. 2 factorial into none is repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4 vowels are there. A is repeating 2 times upon 2 factorial. I am solving it. 3, 8 factorial into 3 is answer. Now write here. Here answer is 8 factorial into 3 is. Now solve it and you will get your answer. Now next question. In how many ways can a group of 5 men and 2 women be made out of total of 7 men and 3 women? Here total is 7 men and 3 women. We have to group 5 men and 2 women. How we do it? 7 C5 here and is there into 3 C2. Now solve it and you will get your answer. 63 will be answer. Solve it yourself. In a group of 6 boys and 4 girls, 4 children are to be selected. In how many ways they can be selected such that at least one boy should be there? How many children we have to select? 4 children we have to select and at least one boy should be there. It means that one or more number of boys can be there. That is 6C1. If one boy is there, we have to complete 4 children. If we take one boy, then 3 number of girls we have to take, plus first case. Second case will be, you can do it in cases and then add the cases, or you can do it directly. At least one boy or more number of boys can be there. 6C2 into, if 2 boys are there, we have to complete 4 children, then 2 girls should be there, plus if 3 boys are there, then 1 girl should be there, plus if we are taking 4 boys, then 0 girls, this gets 0, only this part. Answer will come out to be 209. This was SBI PU question. Don't be like, if you are studying for GATE, then we will not solve SBI question or any other competitive exam question. The more questions you will solve from competitive exam, it will clear your concept. A box contains 2 white ball, 3 black ball and 4 red ball. In how many ways can 3 ball be drawn from the box? Here they are saying 3 ball can be drawn if at least black ball is to be included. They are saying at least black ball should be there. 3 black balls are there. From 3 black balls, 1 should be included. It means that 3C1, if we are taking 1 black ball, then they are not saying anything about these balls. So we add that. It means that from these 6 balls, any one of the ball we can draw. We have to draw 3 balls, it's mandatory. Then 2 balls we can draw from any one of the colors. If black ball is 2, then we can draw 1 ball of any other color from red and white. If we draw 3 balls of black colors, it means that no need to draw any ball from these 2 colors. Now solve it and you will get your answer. How we will solve it? 3 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial into 6 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 factorial with the help of formula. 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial into 6 factorial, 5 factorial plus 3 factorial, 0 factorial, 3 factorial. This will be 1, 3C3, 2C3, this will be 1 and answer will come out to be 64. Now question is, how many 3-digit number can be formed from digit 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9 which are divisible by 5 and none of digit is repeated. Now we have to form 3-digit number which is divisible by 5. Now how can a number can be divisible by 5? If we fix 5 at one's place, then a number can be divisible by 5. So we fix this 5 at one's place to make number divisible by 5 and none of digit can be repeated. And therefore I put cross over 5. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 letter word is required. We fixed 5 at third letter. So at first letter, see how many digits can be possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters can be possible. And on second place, how many letters can be possible? Because digits are non-repeatable. 4. If we put 9 in place of first digit, then we can't repeat it. We only left with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So it means 4 here. 5 we can't use because we already fixed it to make it divisible by 5. Here we fixed the letter, that is 5, because we fixed the word. So here there is no possibility for other words to come. Only one digit we have fixed, that is 5. So here 1, because here no digit have possibility to come. Only one digit can be possible here, therefore 1. Here 5 digits can be possible. Here 4 digits can be possible. But here to make it divisible by 5, only one digit can be possible, that is 5. Therefore 1. Now multiply it. 20. It means that using this digits we can make 23 digits number that can be divisible by 5. Now question is, how many different 3-digit even number can be formed with digits 0 to 6 when repetition not allowed? 3-digit even number. So 3-digit, if last place has 0, 2, 4, 6. If last digit have 0, 2, 4, 6, then only number can be even. Therefore, this is case 1. Here we fixed 0. Here in first case, number is this. And we fixed 0 at ones place to make it an even number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only left with 5 number. So 5 numbers can be possible here. Into, suppose if we use this number, then we only left with 4 digits. Here 5 number can be possible, here 4 numbers can be possible. Here we fixed 0, so here only 1 number can be possible. So therefore, if we fix 0 at first place, then 23 digit even number can be formed from 0 to 6. Second case, if we fix this 2, then how many 3-digit number can be possible? This 0 can't come at this place. This will be 2-digit number. Here how many possibilities can be possible? 1, 2, 3, 4. So suppose if I put 6 here, then we can't repeat 6. Here 0 can be there, because if 0 can be on 10th place, it will not affect the digits. So there how many possibilities can be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly like this, if I fix 2 here, here only 1 number has possibility to come, here 16. Similarly here, if I fix 4, here 1 number has possibility except 0, 4 digits can be possible. Here 0 can be there. Suppose if I put 6 here, we can't repeat the numbers, therefore we can't put 6 here. So therefore how many numbers can be possible here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly like this. Here 4 cases can be possible. Now add these cases and you will get your answer. Maybe 68 will be answer. You can check it by yourself also. In how many ways 5 books of English and 3 books of Hindi be placed in a row so that 2 books of Hindi can't be together? So they are saying 5 books of English and 3 books of Hindi, but Hindi books can't be together. 1 book of English, 1 book of Hindi, English, Hindi, English, Hindi, English, Hindi. It can be like this. Here there are 3 Hindi books and 5 English books are there. 5 English books are there. Hindi books can't be together. Therefore, we placed in between English books. Now see how much total acquired places are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 acquired places are there. Hindi books can't be together. We have to choose 3 places from 8 places. So 8C3. Now solve it and you will get your answer. Now like this, solve one question. Only difference is there are 21 English books and 19 Hindi books, and Hindi books can't be together. Hindi books can't be together. According to that, English, Hindi, English, Hindi, English, Hindi, up to 21 places. So it means this is SSC 2000 question. I taught you with 5 books and 3 books because it would be simple for you to understand about the total number of shells acquired by the books. Here I can't go up to 21 English books and 19 Hindi books. Therefore I have taken less books for your understanding. So here 21 English books are there. So total number of acquired places will be 22. From 22 we have to select 19 places because Hindi books can't be together. Therefore we have to select 19 places, that is 22C19. Now solve it and you will get your answer. Answer will come out to be, how you solve it? Now solve it and this will be answer. Another question. In how many ways 4 boys and 4 girls seated in a row so that all girls should not sit together? Now 4 boys and 4 girls are there. It means that now I am teaching you with the alternate method that we have studied before in examples in vowels and consonants. That is 4 girls can't be together. It means that 4 girls can sit like this. It means that total minus when girls sit together. Like this we can find no girls sit together. Now total is 8 factorial, 4 plus 4 when girls sit together. It means that 4 boys are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 boys. Now group the girls. This is first. As we group the vowels, we take it 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5. Now number of arrangement are 5 into, now these are 4 girls that are grouped together. They can shuffle their places. This will be 4 factorial, 5 factorial into 4 factorial. Find it now and subtract it with total and you will get your answer. If question is simple, then you can do with this method. If question is complicated, then use this approach. Out of 7 consonants and 4 vowel, how many 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? 7C 3 because of and into 4C2. You can solve it. It will come out to be here because of 3 consonants and 2 vowels. Here number of groups formed are 2. Here because of 3 consonants and 2 vowels, 5 letter words will be there. How we arrange the 5 letter words? With 5 factorial. Here as 5 letter words will be there with 3 consonants and 2 vowels. Now how we can arrange these 5 letters? 5 into 4 into 3 to 2 into 1. With 5 factorial we can arrange it. Answer will come out to be this. This is a group that is formed. This is out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels. How many consonants and vowels we have to take? We have to take 210. Now due to this 3 consonants and 2 vowels, 5 letter words will be there. And how we can arrange this 5 letter word? This is a way to arrange the 5 letter word. If we arrange this, answer will come out to be 120. This is the answer of choice that we have to make from 7 consonants and 4 vowels, and answer came out to be 210. And how we arrange these letters? These letters will be arranged like this. Required number of words that made like this will be. Now next question, in how many ways letter of a word signature be arranged taking 4 alphabet X and G always exist when repetition not allowed? Here from word signature we have to take 4 alphabets where S and G are fixed. Here if S and G are fixed, then we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 alphabets. From 7 alphabets we have to choose 2 to fill these 2 spaces. It means that 7C2 into 4 factorial because they can shuffle around each other. Now solve it and you will get your answer. Another question. In how many ways the word Delhi can be arranged by taking alphabets so that 2 alphabet DE always exist? Taking 3 alphabets. We have to take 3 alphabets where DE always exist. If DE exists, then we only left with 3 alphabets. We have to fill only one space with 3 alphabets. It means that 3C1 into 3 factorial because they can shuffle around each other. So answer will come out to be 18. Now next question. There are certain number of employees in an office where every employee wishes other by handshake. If total number of handshake are 210, how many employees are there? So 2 persons make 1 handshake. If 2 persons are there, then they make 1 handshake. 3 persons are there, then number of handshake will be 2. That is, if 3 persons are there, A handshake with B, B handshake with C, and A handshake with C, then 2 handshakes are there. Similarly, if 4 people are there, then number of handshakes will be. From here we get to know 2 persons make 1 handshake. So it means that, so we have to find the number of persons. That is, number of persons we have to find. So number of persons that make 1 handshake is 2. That is given, number of handshakes are given. Are you getting? Total number of persons we have to find. We know that 2 persons make one handshake. Now solve it and you will get an answer. This will be n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial, 2, n minus 2 factorial. This will be 420 n square minus n. This will be minus. Now solve it. Answer will come out to be 21. Now we are done with permutations and combinations. In next class we will start with probability. If you are liking my videos, found it useful, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment below for your feedback. Thank you. Have a nice day.